Ford recalls 52,000 F-250 pickup trucks over park fault. Online news: Ford is recalling 52,000 F-250 pickup trucks over a fault which can cause the vehicle to roll while the automatic transmission lever is in park position. In a statement, the company advised users of the 2017 vehicles, sold in the US and Canada, to use the handbrake when shifting the car into park mode. It said it was not aware of any accidents or injuries associated with the issue. It is the Michigan-based automaker's third recall in a week. On Wednesday, Ford recalled 211,000 vehicles in North America over potentially faulty side door latches. It also recalled 360,000 vehicles in North America and Europe that present a fire risk in the engine compartment. Ford said it had reports of 29 fires related to that issue but no injuries.